Math 131 removal item number 1, which is true for the following system of equation. 4x plus 3y is equal to 8, 16x plus 12y is equal to 48. So, let's substitute. 16x plus 12y is equal to 48. Negative 16x minus 12y is equal to negative 32. 16x plus 12y is equal to 48. So, cancel. 0. Negative 32 minus 48 is equal to 16. So, the system of equation has no solution, and the second equation has the same left side as the first but zero different constant. So the line never meet. Therefore, the answer is letter D.